In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay loan in GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to look for, and how to complete a payment smoothly and confidently. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, your app is updated to the latest version, and you have a stable internet connection. This helps the payment process load correctly and prevents errors while you're paying. From the GCash home screen, go to your GLoan. You'll usually find GLoan as a tile or shortcut on the main dashboard. If you don't see GLoan, it may be because there's no active loan on your account yet. But if you do have an active loan, tapping GLoan will open your loan dashboard where you can view your current balance, due date, and monthly installment. Inside GLoan, look for your monthly payment details. You should see the amount due and the due date clearly displayed. Take a moment to review the figures so you know exactly what you're paying for this cycle. This is also a good time to double-check your GCash wallet balance at the top of the screen. Make sure you have sufficient funds to cover the full amount due, otherwise the payment won't go through. When you're ready, tap Pay Now. The app will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm the payment amount, choose your GCash wallet as the source of funds, and review any details shown before finalizing. Follow each prompt carefully and only proceed once everything looks correct. You may be asked to authenticate for security. Simply complete that step as instructed. While the app processes your payment, avoid closing it or switching away so the transaction can complete without interruption. After a successful payment, you should see a confirmation screen along with a reference number. It's a good idea to take a quick screenshot of this page for your records. You can also return to your GLoan dashboard to verify that the amount due has been updated and check your GCash wallet to confirm the deduction. That's all there is to it. Open GCash, go to GLoan, review your monthly payment, tap Pay Now, ensure you have enough funds, and follow the prompts on your screen. Paying on time helps keep your account in good standing, and doing it a little early gives you a buffer in case of slow connections or high app traffic. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make your GLoan payment quickly and confidently.